Check out this week's must-see movies.
You're not real!
A young woman discovers a deadly videotape in the sequel, Rings.
And she does not forgive.
What do you offer me?
Tell me where you're really from. Mars.
You wasn't lying.
Teen romance and sci-fi come together in The Space Between Us.
I was scared I wouldn't know how to be human. You made me human.
This was me, and then this was me. Then I came back as this little guy.
In A Dog's Purpose, a reincarnated dog learns the reason for his existence.
Where did you find that?
Here's this week's Fanticipation. So what's your weekend ticket going to be? Let us know by commenting below. See you next time on Weekend Ticket.